Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Innocent Komotso Manamela. I'm from a company called Aqua OBR that is based in Garankuwa in Zone 14. Our business started its operations in late 2021. That's when we registered our business completely and did all the compliances. Look, with the gap in the market, we saw that water, getting safe, clean and drinking water has been a problem. Our infrastructure is a problem. So there was a gap in the market for us to secure a water purification machine that will put us in the map and then give us the right product as we need it. Well, we supply clean and safe drinking water, and then we do branding for companies. We push the idea of marketing brands in a healthy lifestyle. We try and sell services through branded water on the side. We do have our own in-house brand as Aqua OBR, and then as an alternative, we would brand for event organizers, for catering companies, funeral parlors to restaurants, and individuals who walk in and request our services. Look, we do deliveries around Gauteng. We have our own buggy that we pull a trailer with and do local deliveries. And then outside of Gauteng, we do box-to-box via engine garages. It's a courier. And then alternatively, we use the courier guy to do our deliveries outside of Gauteng. So the process that we use, it's an 8-stage purifying process that keeps the water natural, and then it gives it a taste. It does not become flat, so we use less ozonation on our water. We try to compete with other competitors through the taste and the quality that we give into our water. You can get in touch with us. You can call us on 076-735-6911. We're also available on social media. Our Facebook page is Aqua OBR Prepared Stillwater. We're also on Instagram at Aqua OBR. And then personally, we're on TikTok. It's Innocent Manamela. Hi, my name is Innocent, and I am a township entrepreneur.